Hi everybody, it's Stephanie from Whole Life NYC, and today I want to show you how to make a roller bottle, a body spray, how to make a veggie cap, and how to fill your diffuser. So let's start with the roller bottle. You're going to buy these on doTERRA. You can find them under DIY accessories. This is the 10 ml roller bottle, and they're less than $1 each. It's like $4.75 for 6 of them. So you're going to take this, you're going to take your essential oil bottle, turn it at a 45-degree angle, and you're going to let the drops just drop right in. So depending on your recipe, that'll decide what number of drops, and depending on the dilution, which I can send you a guide for that, you always want to dilute differently for adults than kids, so message me about that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your fractionated coconut oil, which is also from doTERRA. They've also just started selling this pump top. You're going to put this all the way in, and you're going to pump until it's filled all the way up to the shoulder. Then you're going to put your roller bottle top, make sure it snaps in, and you can gently roll it back and forth to mix it together, and then you're good to go, or you can roll away. So let's talk about making a body spray. So you can get these bottles on doTERRA as well. They come with a pump top, and what you're going to do, you're going to do the same things with your oils. Depending on the recipe and the dilution, make sure you use the dilution for the proper size of the spray bottle. You're going to add your oils, and then you're going to fill it up with either distilled water. You can add some fractionated coconut oil in here. You can use witch hazel. It depends on what kind of a spray you're using and what the effect is that you want. If you want to make a pillow spray or an astringent, and again, I'm happy to help you with that. You would put the pump top on, shake it up, and then you can spray. And if you're using water with the oil, you're going to want to shake it every single time before you spray it, so that the oil will disperse in the bottle of water. Okay, let's talk about veggie caps. These are my favorite ways to take oils internally. So the veggie caps, you can buy them again on doTERRA. I believe it's a bottle of 160, but it's like $4 for this whole bottle. So there are these little capsules, you can see. You just pull them apart very easily. They come apart, and there's a short side and a long side. You're going to want to put your oils in the long side. Again, you're just going to want to do the drops, however many drops it is. I don't recommend more than 1 or 2, depending on the oil. You can mix different oils in your veggie cap, so if you're feeling sick, you can do 1 drop each of oregano, frankincense, lemon, On Guard, and Melaleuca. Then you're going to pop this little top on. Make sure you hear it snap closed. And then you can just take this internally with some water. You can take it, if you feel a little sensitive, you can take it with food. I find that I don't need to take it with food. I can just take it in the morning because I drink a lot of water. Okay, the last thing is how to fill up your diffuser. So I have my little petal diffuser from doTERRA. So you just take the top off. And most diffusers will have a specific indicator that'll show you where you're going to add the water up to, what line. So you're going to fill your diffuser with water up to that indicator. Then you're going to add your oils the same way we've been adding them and everything else. I would recommend no more than 3 to 5 drops for this smaller diffuser. You may need more with larger diffusers, but again, doTERRA oils are amazing and powerful, and you don't need too much. Then you would just put the lid on, plug it in, and then you can click to start it. So that's it. That's how you make a roller bottle, a body spray, a veggie cap, and how to use your diffuser. So you can always email me with questions. I'm happy to answer them, and happy oiling. Bye.